when spirit influences on nafs, and nafs get rid of the characteristics of this ammara and makara, so it is upgraded to the stage of blaming nafs. Blaming nafs is a nafsul lawwama. Again, if nafsul lawwama is upgraded towards piety and gets more influenced, here is the matter of who is influencing and who is being influenced. Because the heart has to take the side of the one who has become stronger, who is the stronger one. Whether heart will go to the spirit or heart will go to the nafs. If nafs itself goes to spirit, then heart will definitely go to the spirit. So the whole control would be of the spirit, of the king. So if it is further upgraded towards ruh, nafsul lawwama, if it becomes nafsul lawwama, then it starts receiving the revelations, ilhamat, the good thoughts, good ideas, pious ideas are revealed into it. Alhamaha fujuraha wa taqwaha. It starts differentiating between right and wrong. Then it becomes nafs al-mulhama. Because some say al-mulhama because it receives the revelation, and some says mulhima, that it gives the revelation and thoughts and ideas. And then this nafs-e-mulhama is upgraded up to nafs-e-mutma'inna. Mulhama is inspired nafs, the inspired soul. Then it is further upgraded and accepts more influence of ruh, the spirit, more influence of spirit. Then it achieves the next stage, and that is nafs-e-mutma'inna. It is nafs at rest. It totally associates itself from the blameworthy attributes and characteristics and sinful tendencies, and it becomes sound and profound and satisfied with act of piety and Allah's pleasure. So in the prior stage, nafs assumes the stages of intellect. When it becomes nafs-e-mutma'inna, it assumes the state of qalb, and they become in one line with the ruh. Nafs, qalb and ruh becomes in one single line, one sequence. And when the nafs becomes mutma'inna, then it has further some stages and some characteristics. Now, when it achieves the stage of an-nafsul mutma'inna, it is cut off with the lower stage, the lower world, and it is attached with the heavenly world, higher world, because it becomes connected with ruh. And here the nafs starts returning back to the Lord.